Hey everybody, I'm Nick Black with Wynn Motors and Wynn Classics. Now, I'm mostly on the motors side, but we're helping out Jeff and Jesse today a little bit on the classic car side. Normally, we'd be shooting a test drive video right about now, but as you can see, not great weather for that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do an inside video today in the future home of our indoor showroom. So that's coming next year, 2025. We've got a little time before the showroom's open. We've gotten a lot of work done inside. There's still a lot of work to do. We're hoping to have it open next year for you guys so you can come and look inside and you don't have to worry about stuff like the rain. But that's what the hope is. But today, we're gonna talk with Jeff Brogdon to see what car he has for us to look at. All right, Jeff, what are we looking at here today?
I've got a 69 Chevelle, 396, 4-speed. This car's just had a frame off restoration. This is a local Paducah car. Disc brakes, everything on the car has been replaced. New interior, headliner, door panels. Got new 20-inch American Racing wheels. Got Nitto tires. Very nice car. Tilt column. It's 396. The car's got about 800 miles on the build.
So this is a fresh restoration.
Fresh restoration. The car was actually done last year and finished early this year. It has got aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Headers, aluminum exhaust, mild cam. It's got all new chrome, new stainless. This car is ready to go.
All right, Jeff, that's the outside. Tell me about the inside. So the frame off restoration, they went all out.
Yes, every nut and every bolt was replaced. On the interior, it's had new carpet. The seats been redone. It's got new door panels, new chrome, new handles, new stainless inside, new dash pad, new console, new headliner. I mean, it's ready to go.
Jeff, now I think we need to hear it.
All right, let's fire this baby up.
So if they want it, Jeff, what do they got to do?
Just come down to Wynn Classic Cars, 3174 Park Avenue, Paducah. We also have financing on these cars with 10% down.